A car audio upgrade is one of the fastest ways to change how your vehicle feels every time you drive it. If you're still running factory speakers, you're missing half the music. At Black Optix Tint, we install complete car audio systems. Speakers, subwoofers, amplifiers, and touchscreen head units with Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. Every system is built around your vehicle and tuned for clean, balanced sound, not just volume. We handle the wiring, the fit, and the finish, so nothing looks or sounds like an afterthought. And we do marine audio too. Weatherproof, UV-resistant speakers and amps built to handle sun, salt, and water, so your boat sounds just as good as your car. Get a free car audio or marine audio quote for a Black Optix Tint near you. Black Optix Tint, driven by style, powered by performance.